Sino dito ang hindi pa makaget over sa concert ng SB19? Kasi ako hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin. Yung init, yung ulan, pawis, pagod at walang katapos ang pila. Pero kahit ganun, ang saya. Kasi deep down, I knew this was a core memory in the making. Every minute of waiting was a test of patience. Laughter mixed with heat, excitement tangled with exhaustion. But if you looked around, you'd see it in everyone's faces. The love, the loyalty, and the kind of support that doesn't waver. 3 oras kaming nakapila sa fan zone at pagdating sa loob, halos wala ng freebies. But it didn't matter. The magic wasn't in the merch. It was in the moment. It was in the sound of 55,000 voices singing together. It was in the production. Bawat ilaw, bawat props, bawat sequence, halatang pinag-isipan. Every second felt like a love letter to us. It was in their passion, not just in the songs or the choreography, but in how their stories reflected our own. It was how the music moved through me, how I let go of the stress, the roles, the rules, how I danced without thinking, sang without shame, and screamed like no one was watching. For the first time in a long time, I felt free. And it was in the quiet moments after. Pagod, gutom, paos, pero ang puso punong-puno ng inspirasyon. Nakaka-proud sobra. This wasn't just a concert. It reminded me that dreams take time. But when you keep showing up for them, one day they show up for you too.